How to create the text behind person effect. This effect adds depth to your videos and can make titles or messages more engaging. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieve this effect in CapCut. Open the CapCut app and select New Project. Choose the video clip from your library that you want to edit and tap on Add to include it in your project. Tap on Text at the bottom of the screen and then tap on Add Text. Type your desired text and customize it using the available fonts, sizes, and colors. Position the text on the screen where you want it to appear behind the person. Make sure it's placed correctly for the effect to look realistic. Export the clip. Go back to CapCut and open a new project. Import the exported clip to the timeline. Tap on Overlay and Add Overlay and select the original video clip from your library to add it as an overlay. Align the overlay perfectly with the original clip in the timeline to ensure they match up exactly. Select the overlay clip and then tap on Remove Background. Review your video to ensure the text appears realistically behind the person. Adjust the timing or positioning of text and mask as needed. Once satisfied, tap on Export in the top right corner. Choose your export resolution and tap Export again to save the video to your device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.